Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? In this video, I am going to show you how to remove a row in a table in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Firstly, open your PowerPoint presentation, then go to the PowerPoint slide. Then drag on your mouse and select the rows. Then go to the layout option, then go to the delete menu and delete rows. Now I am delete another rows. Then delete on your mouse and select these rows, then go to the layout option, then go delete menu and delete rows. Now you can see remove a row in a table very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.